Welcome to today's Explainer. Look, we are talking about a massive, ground-up architectural shift in how we handle network management and automation. For the last year or so, everybody has been totally obsessed with standard AI chat models, right? Treating them like glorified search engines or simple coding calculators. But today, we are breaking down a very specific blueprint that shows you how to stop treating AI as a toy and start treating it as a seriously scalable workforce. We are going to explore how you can literally replace traditional IT workflows by building a completely automated AI team with Hermes Agent.
So, let me ask you this. What if your next IT hire never sleeps, never complains, and costs exactly $5 a month? Seriously, ask yourself what that level of automation would do for your own productivity. That is the massive potential and honestly, the high stakes that we are diving into today. Because we aren't just talking about a neat little tool that helps you write a quick Python script. We are talking about deploying a dedicated digital workforce that manages your infrastructure around the clock.
Okay, here is the blueprint we will be following today. 1. Your new IT hire. 2. The OpenClaw problem. 3. Secure sandbox deployment. 4. API and Telegram integration. 5. Multi-agent Kanban orchestration. And finally 6. Your scalable AI workforce.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, your new IT hire.
Our source material for this explainer puts it absolutely perfectly. Quote, Hermes Agent is the #1 AI tool you should be learning right now. It is a super powerful AI agent that is basically your 24/7 AI employee. End quote. That word right there, employee, is absolutely crucial. It completely reframes the technology. You aren't just launching an app here. You are literally onboarding a new team member that handles all the heavy lifting so you can actually focus on high-level strategy.
Moving right along to Section 2, the OpenClaw problem. Now, you might be wondering, why not just use what everyone else is using? Well, because platforms like OpenClaw have honestly become incredibly bloated. They break practically every single time there's a new update, which ends up costing users hours and hours of troubleshooting. Plus, they suffer from this kind of digital amnesia. They start from zero memory in every single session. But contrast that with Hermes Agent. Hermes actually utilizes closed-loop learning. It evaluates its own work, extracts reusable skills from solved problems, and literally gets smarter every single day.
All right, Section 3, Secure Sandbox Deployment. Is it safe to just let an autonomous agent run wild on your personal machine? Yeah, the answer to that is a hard no.
So, here is the macro architecture required to run your agent securely. It is basically a 3-step blueprint. Step 1, you deploy a cloud VPS. Step 2, connect the OpenRouter API, which essentially gives the agent its brain. And step 3, sync it with Telegram via BotFather to give it a face.
As I mentioned, you absolutely do not want to run 24/7 autonomous agents directly on your personal laptop. You need a completely isolated environment. The blueprint highly recommends deploying on a $5 a month cloud VPS, something like Hostinger's KVM2 plan. Running an Ubuntu template and pulling the Hermes Docker container completely isolates the AI in a secure sandbox. And that right there completely neutralizes the massive security panic around autonomous code execution.
Okay, so once your server is up and running, the very first action is establishing its identity. You do this by creating a sol.md file. This is your agent's fundamental memory context file. It ensures the agent inherently understands your overarching goals, your operational rules, and its own identity before it ever executes a single line of code. It is like giving it a customized employee handbook on day 1.
Which brings us to Section 4. API and Telegram integration. Now we actually connect the intelligence to the interface.
For the brain of the operation, the blueprint dictates using OpenRouter. And why is that? Well, OpenRouter gives you access to over 200 different AI models using just a single API key. This maintains complete API agnosticism. So if one model goes down, or hey, maybe a way better one is released tomorrow, you simply swap it out. You prevent vendor lock-in entirely and keep your automation team operating on the absolute cutting edge without any hassle.
Now let's talk about the user interface, because we definitely do not want to log into some clunky terminal every time we need to talk to our AI. By using BotFather to pass your Telegram bot token, you essentially integrate Hermes directly into Telegram. You are giving your AI a face and a contact number, basically transforming it into a dedicated, accessible team member that you can securely text from anywhere in the world. How cool is that?
Right through Telegram, you can actually use natural language to schedule cron jobs. You literally just text it something like, hey, check my server health every morning at 8 a.m., and boom, it is done. Plus, by integrating Tailscale, you drop your agent onto a private network where it can act as a device administrator. Your AI can now seamlessly fetch, move, and manage files across your Mac, your PC, and your mobile devices completely securely. It is a real game changer.
Moving on to Section 5, Multi-Agent Kanban Orchestration.
Now, this right here is what elevates this entire setup from a fun little chat interface into a truly scalable enterprise workforce. Chatting with an agent is great, for sure, but managing an actual team requires visibility. So instead of just texting one agent, this architecture uses a visual drag-and-drop Kanban board. Using a provider pattern, you can spin up parallel agents simultaneously. We are talking mixing and matching models like Copilot, Claude, and Hermes. You drag a task into In Progress, and suddenly Agent 1 is monitoring server logs, while Agent 2 is simultaneously writing router scripts. They execute the work, they stream their progress live, and they do it all in completely isolated Git environments.
So, what happens when these parallel agents encounter a really tough problem? Well, this is exactly where Hermes shines. It uses something called Huncho dialectic user modeling. Think of it as a closed-loop learning mechanism. When Hermes solves a complex problem, it actually evaluates its own methods, extracts the core reasoning, and then saves it as a permanent skill document inside a robust 3-layer memory architecture. It doesn't forget, it actually learns.
And the tangible result of that memory architecture? 40%. Because Hermes extracts and saves these permanent skills, the very next time you assign it the exact same complex task, it completes it 40% faster. To put that into perspective, that is the compound interest of AI automation right there.
And finally, Section 6, your scalable AI workforce.
Ultimately, this blueprint resolves the two biggest roadblocks to AI adoption right now: security panics and scaling limitations. Deploying on an isolated VPS completely sandboxes the risk, while that visual Kanban board gives you total, transparent oversight of all the task execution. You completely neutralize the fear while simultaneously managing a massive output of work.
The bottom line is you no longer need a massive IT budget. You just need the right architecture to build the team that actually grows and learns right alongside you. So, looking at your own workflows, what task are you going to automate first? Take this blueprint, step out of the limitations of static chatbots, and start building your own autonomous team today. Thank you so much for joining me.